Everyone, I am Barasa. Today I'm going to teach you the third parts of learning languages. Uh, we are going to learn how to greeting and farewells. Okay, so just follow me and I will teach you what I know. We are going to learn in Oromoo, Amharic, Chinese, and English. So our today class will be started from how are you. The word how are you will be translated in a Oromoo like this. Akkam jirta. Akkam jirta. Akkam jirta means how are you. In Chinese, we can say ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Chinese contains a lot of tone. Basically, there are 4 tones and they will be written on the up of the most or the main vowels of pinyin syllables. So when we write ni hao, the symbol of tone will be written above the I, as well the most vowels from both of them is A. In presidency is greater than the O, and ma doesn't have any tone. So the word ni will be connected with this one, how will be connected with this one, and ma will be connected with this one. In case of Amharic, we used to say indet nehe, indet nehe, indet nehe. If that person is female, we can say indet nesh, indet nesh. For respecting indet nachu, like that. This is how to ask for someone the word how are you in different language, and we will continue. In this case, we are going to respond for the question how are you. In English, fine. How about you? In Afaan Oromoo will be naga ato, naga ato, naga ato. Akkam jirta, naga ato. Like this. In Chinese, 我很好，你呢？我很好，你呢？我 contains the third tone. 很好，很 contains the third tone. 好 contains the third tone. 你 means you contains the third tone. 呢 no tone. So when we used in Chinese, 你好吗？我很好，你呢？你好吗 means a question for how are you? 我很好，你呢 is a response for I'm fine. How about you? In Amharic, we can say like this. Dehina neny. Antes. Dehina neny. Antes. Dehina neny. Antes. Like this. Dehina neny. Antes. These all of 4 languages are exactly the same. There is no difference. We will continue. And here, in this one, we are going to say for the response of the first person who asks how are you. He also can say I'm also fine. The word I'm also fine will be translated in a form like this. Anis nagada. Anis nagada. Anis nagada. Anis means me. Nagada. Fine. Anis nagada. In Chinese, we used to say 我也很好. 我也很好. Like previously, as I told you, 我 contains the third tone, 也 contains the third tone, 很 contains the third tone, 好 contains the third tone. When we read all of them, 我也很好我也很好 means I'm also fine. In Amharic, we can say inem dehina neng. Inem dehina neng. Inem dehina neng. Like this. I hope the sound is good and you are continuing, just following me. So here they have talked something and they are going to depart other. So at the end of conversation, they can say see you later. In Oromoo, the word see you later will be bod wal argina. Bod wal argina. Bod wal argina. When we use in Chinese, it's become Ihorjian. 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 E. Ihor means this one. Ihor. Jian. This one. Jian contains the fourth tone. E contains the first tone. Her contains this one. And we don't need to write, but for more clarity I already added er over here. Sometimes it is not needed, like some apostrophe will be in here. Ihor jian. Ihor jian. In Amharic it will be Bohala enigganay. Bohala enigganay. Bohala enigganay. This all of them are really the same name, and we will continue to the last one. I hope it is the last one. Lastly, we will see the word goodbye. Goodbye in Afaan Oromoo is nagat. Nagat, goodbye. It means nagat, nagat, nagat. In Chinese, it will be 再见, 再见, like this. On the middle of main vowel, and here also on the main vowel, which is a. 再见 both contains the fourth tone, and we used to say 再见. They are more strong than others. 再见, 再见, 再见 means see you again. 再见, see you again. Just the same thing with goodbye. See you again. In Amharic, we used to say dehina hun. Dehina hun. Dehina hun. Dehina hun means be fine, like that. I think so. I'm not sure. But no matter, our today class is up to here, and if you like my tutorials, please don't hesitate to give me a comment, like my channel, and subscribe. You can daily receive a lot of learning language tutorial. Thank you very much. Keep up, steady hard. Take care.